if you're using ChatGPT to help with your SEO efforts, I'm going to show you a tool that is 10 times better. Even if you're using the paid subscription for ChatGPT that has access to a browse feature, plugins, DALL-E, the product that I'm about to show you is 10 times better, right? I'm going to show you exactly why that is. So if you're using ChatGPT to generate content for your blog, because the whole goal is to leverage ChatGPT for written SEO, right? To generate articles that get ranked on search engines, people click them. And of course, whether you have it set up so you capture their emails or you have a call to action to your product, e-commerce product, SaaS product, the goal is to convert these people that click on your article to buy something from you, right? That's the whole goal of SEO, search engine optimization, and that's the whole goal of developing content with ChatGPT is, again, to have people click on the content, read it, get to know your brand, and buy something from you. Now, the issue with ChatGPT is there's a lot of iteration needed, and there aren't enough features. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by this. So this is the tool I'm mentioning that's 10 times better. I'll go over exactly what it does, how it does it, but I'm going to show you exactly the type of content that you can generate with this tool. So I'm just going to select this one right here, which was a piece of content that I generated yesterday, right? And just take a look at this, right? Right off the bat, you have a featured image, which you can change if you click, right? You have a proper title, you have a table of contents organized. You can click each one of these and go straight to the section. Let me just close this right now. You have a proper structure through the article, bullet out important keywords, important words. You have internal links, right, to other internal pages on your site. You have in-article videos tailored and niched down to what the article talks about. Of course, you have in-article images as well, more in-article images, more internal links, external links as well, right? Here as well, external links, and a call to action to your site or to your products. In this case, it links out to a gardening website and links out to some other products, right? So all this that I just showed you before is not possible with ChatGPT, right? That's just the article part. Then you can just, with a click of a button, post to integration. Your integration could be your WordPress site, could be your Ghost website, could be your Shopify store, could be your Wix site. There's a bunch of integrations which I won't cover right now. I have videos on the channel about this, but just know that with a click of a button, you can post each one of these articles to your desired integration. Again, it can be WordPress, Shopify, Wix, and a bunch of others, right? Or if you don't want to post each one of them manually, you can just go here and publish all to integration. In this case, it would be free, right? And with ChatGPT, this is just not possible, right? Just not possible. Furthermore, one thing that this tool allows you to do is create a brand, right? And what a brand is, essentially, you can create a new brand. Essentially, what you're doing is you're uploading, let's say this is our AI right here. You're uploading to Journalist AI your brand's assets, right? Whether that's your social media platforms, your YouTube, your Twitter, your Facebook, whether that's some text documents, some image files, some audio files, some documents, right? All these brand assets you might have, you're uploading them to Journalist AI. So Journalist now knows as much as you know about your own brand. Thus, it can produce content that's tailored to your brand, has your own brand images, speaks in the tone of voice of your brand, has links to your other articles in your site, has links to your products, links to other offers of yours, right? So essentially, it's as if you're duplicating yourself. So duplicating yourself in the sense that the AI now knows as much about the business as yourself, but the AI, is writing all the content for you. Now, furthermore, even more, right? This is all good. All this is great. You can set up an auto blog. And what this is essentially is the ability to have Journalist AI generating and posting content on autopilot to your blog every single day, every single week, every single month, right? You can choose the frequency here, right? You can do 100 posts every 6 hours, right? Or every week you do like 5 posts or 300 posts, however you want this to be, right? And again, all the content, right? Journalists will connect with your blog, whether that's WordPress blog, a Shopify blog, a Wix blog, a Webflow blog, a Blogger blog, right? We have a bunch of integrations, right? It will generate, these are unique posts, right? All these are unique little posts, right? On your blog. Journalist AI will not only generate, but also post automatically these posts to your blog. Now, keep in mind that these will interlink between each other, right? These will have images, right? I mean, let's just expand one of these blogs, right? Let's say this is one of the individual blog. It's going to have a featured image, a table of contents, in-article images, in-article videos, internal links linking to other blog posts you've written in the past, right? or to this one, or to offers of yours with a call to action, external links linking to authoritative sources, right? Bullet out words. All these are extremely well optimized, right? Also, all these articles will be tailored to your brand, of course, if you set up a brand right here. I won't dive too deep in how you can do it. If you want to know about that, there's a video on this channel detailing how these work. So if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, this is the power of these tools, right? Not only can you generate articles like these for any niche, right? Any niche. I just chose gardening because I like how the images look and how the articles look overall. You can also have tables in the articles, bullets, right? There's a bunch of stuff you can have in article images again, in article videos. There's one right here about this topic in specific, and of course calls to action to your in this case it's a Shopify store, but calls to action to either your products or services or whatever it is that you're selling, right? And yeah, that's the power of this, which is something that you cannot do with ChatGPT. Unfortunately, you cannot do it, let alone the automation, right? The articles like this, it's impossible to do with ChatGPT. And of course, the automation with a click of a button to post your WordPress site, or just the fact that you can set up an auto blog to have journalists generate and post content to your blog every single day, every single week, interlink the posts, adding images, adding videos, adding all that, which is extremely time consuming, right? Also an issue with not using AI tools, right? Whether that's ChatGPT or any other tool, is that, let's say this is success right here, or ranking number one, or making money, excuse me. If you're leveraging AI tools, you go from here to here, right? If you're not, you have to figure out what you want to write about. You have to find the images, find the internal links, the external links, do your calls to action, finding videos that are tailored to your content. So you have to do all these steps. Well, if you use a tool like Journalist, you skip the line because Journalist does it all for you. Journalist analyzes your brand and goes out and looks for videos, looks for images, looks for links tailored to your brand, and then adds them to the articles, right? And you can try this for yourself. Just go to tryjournalist.com. I'll leave a link in the description and also in the comments down below. You get access to 3 articles for free, so try it out. Let me know what you think. But yeah, that's the good thing about this. Again, ChatGPT, it does allow you to skip a couple of steps, right? But not all of these, right? It doesn't allow you to have internal links, external links, tailored images, tailored videos, and moreover, it doesn't allow you to save time by clicking just publish to your integration. And again, integrations, you can set them up, and there's a lot of them right here: WordPress, Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger. You can even do it with Zapier, which essentially allows you to publish to any site you want, because Zapier is just a hub that connects journalists with any app out there, right? Even Facebook, or even connect it with your Google Sheets, which you can connect it to something else, or even email. You can do a bunch of stuff with this, right? So yeah, that's about it for this video. I did, of course, before I go, wanted to show you the full potential of this in terms of the generation aspects, right? So I'm going to do quick fire here. There's 7 aspects when you can to generate articles. If you click here on generate articles, you can do simple mode, titles mode, or keyword mode. So simple mode, essentially you give it a URL, a description, choose the amount of articles, and then the language. You have over 150 different languages. So if you're targeting international markets like Spanish, Portuguese, Turkish, Greek, you're able to produce content literally just like the one I showed you before, with images, links, all that, in over 150 different languages, which is quite powerful. Titles mode, pretty straightforward. You can just give it titles, and the AI will generate content based on those titles. Keyword mode, give it keywords, the AI will generate content based on those keywords. Of course, the advanced mode is a bit more powerful, which essentially you can have connect your brand. You can select the language, select the creativity levels, depending on how you want people to perceive your brand. Maybe a bit more creative or original, maybe a bit more correct or factual. Change the tone of voice, funny, factual, academic. You can put anything you want here. Point of view, change the point of view. First person, plural, first person, singular. You can change all this. Gives you a bit more control over the output. You can even add custom instructions if you'd like. Here you can add your calls to action. You can have the headings of the articles be auto-generated, or you can just add them manually if you'd like. You can also add your sitemap URL to set up the internal linking, so all the content that you generate interlinks in a way that makes sense with other articles, right? Linking out to other articles. So if this article talks about motorcycles, it's going to link out to another article that speaks about the same niche. It's never going to link out to an article that talks about cats, right? It's only going to interlink between articles that make sense. External linking, you can do this automatically, meaning that we'll read through the article and find authoritative sources in your niche to link out to. So if your articles are about finance, we'll link out to TechCrunch, to Investopedia. And of course, again, authoritative sources in your niche. We'll scrape the internet for relevant articles in your niche and language. Or you can do them manually if you want to add links manually to authoritative sources in your niche. You can do so as well. Images, so these are the in-article images. You can do AI images, which are pretty cool. Google license-free photos, custom images. Again, you can upload your brand's images and just use them, or just use stock photos if you'd like. Featured images, videos. Again, we can do this automatically, so we'll scrape through the articles and figure out what videos we can browse and add from YouTube to your articles, just like so. Or again, you can add them manually. So that's the power of this tool. That's how much more powerful it is over a tool like ChatGPT, right? It gives you not only more control over the output. The articles are much better, much richer in features, images, links, calls to action, bullets, tables, all that, but also allows you to, with one click, publish the articles or the content you generate to WordPress, Wix, blog, or whatever it is, just like so right here, right? Or you can set up an auto blog, which essentially goes out, links journalists to your blogging platform, again, Shopify, Wix, WordPress, whatever it is, and it's going to generate and publish content every single day, week, month on autopilot, so you don't have to worry about a single thing. Super powerful tool. Again, I'll leave a link for this in the description. Try it out. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.